Hello listeners, my name is Cruz, and the question that being asked is, what is mathematics in my own point of view? So mathematics in my own point of view is like everywhere, because all that we can see are being explained by mathematics, and all that we do in our daily lives are being explained also by mathematics. For examples that we like, for example, like we are measuring the ingredients that we use to cook foods, measuring other stuff like what the exact time that we arrive at school, work, and etc. So my point of view about mathematics is being natural in our life. And the second question that been shown to us is a picture. So, as what I observed in the picture, there is a leaves, there is a trees, and there is a wood bridge that been attached each one of them. Because as I am observing the pictures, I see that the wood bridge is not being close attached each one, because when you are in the actual place in the picture, you can walk in the wood bridge and you can count one of them. And the trees, there is not a lot of trees there, you can count them. And as what I am being answered in the first question, all that we can see is being explained by math. So there is a number in the place. As you can see, there is a measurement. There are more objects that you can see, that you can explain by mathematics. As what I observed, you can count the leaves, you can count the trees, you can count the wood bridge, and you can measure it. So the picture that been shown to me is to us is being explained by mathematics. So the last question is, can I relate it to my daily life and in a real situation or in my real situation? Yes, as what I am saying in the first question, that all that we do in our daily lives and all that we can see is being explained or being calculated by math. So there are 5 examples that I am going to answer. So the first example is by cooking, because when you are cooking, you are measuring the ingredient. For example, you are measuring the kilogram of the chicken, meat, and other vegetables, and you are measuring the exact amount of the sugar, soy sauce, salt, and more. So by cooking, we are calculating, we are using math. And second example is when you are buying essentials, shopping, and when you are going outside, because you are managing your money, you are managing the things that you are buying, the exact amount, the exact price that you are going to buy. So yes, being outside is buying essentials and shopping are also using math. So the third is by managing your time, because when you are managing your time, you are calculating the time in it. Because when you are scheduling the time that you are going to do, for example, in 9 a.m. you are going to eat breakfast. When it comes to 9:30, you are going to take a bath, toothbrush, and more. So when the clock hit the 10 a.m., you are going to do the assignments, you are going to study. So when you are measuring the time, you are computing that this time I am going to do this, I am going to do this. Yes, I am doing that also. And the fourth is in recreational activities like basketball, cycling, and more that engage recreational activities. For example, basketball. When I am playing basketball, I am measuring also the exact release of my hand to hoop the ball in the basket. The exact timing, the exact measurement, and also cycling. I am doing cycling. I used to application Google Maps, so I can measure the kilometers and the meters that I have go in the exact place. So yeah, measuring also. And the last is video games. Since it's pandemic, I am used to play video games like MOBA games, like Call of Duty. So mobile games is also measuring time, measuring the game, it is using a math. And that is all. Thank you for listening.